So, 2 weeks ago, I went out with Alo and he was buying this recipe for his chicken teriyaki. The following weekend, he invited me over for dinner, but I was so busy, so I didn't go. 2 days ago, he met me in campus and invited me for a potluck. He said that he's cooking now. I assume everyone is talking about it. Famous Alo chicken teriyaki. So I'm gonna head to church first, and then after church we're gonna go to Potluck. So the decision for the location of the potluck is not yet approved or agreed on. So there's like 3 locations that they want to have the potluck in. One is where I'm standing right now, the driving range, and the other one is at COT. And it's raining heavy now, so I don't know. They said when it's rain, it's gonna be here at the driving range or COT. And I forgot to bring my umbrella, so we'll just sit and wait and see. I'm walking back home. I need to get some battery. I forgot to bring my extra battery, so I'm just gonna go get the battery and then head back inside. I got the battery. And I decided I'm gonna just sit here in front and wait for Alo and Sina here at the main gate and then go in. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here and wait. Oh, they are here, right there, somewhere there, right on time.
Let's go and eat, boy. Tara. Let's go and eat. Kami mo kayo. Teriyaki chicken. Kami mo. Kami open na look. Kami mo kayo.
Hey guys, you pull up there.
Yes. You motivating me, boy.
That's good.
I will try convince my wife first.
What's your thoughts on the chicken
Teriyaki.
Me not estimate, but I feel like this guy, the chef, he's over exaggerating his dish. So we'll try it and then I will get back to you. But this guy said he already tried it and it was okay. So if you already tried it, what's your rate out of 10?
I rate it 9.5. I mean, sorry, 10. 10 out of 10.
Is that your honest answer?
Yes, it's my honest answer.
10 out of 10. Oh, so that this guy gave a good review. Now,
10 out of 10.
Francis,
Yes.
Francis will give his review.
We added the chicken right after, as in like we added the sauce and everything right after this cooking, and the onion went in directly. So
now you've let the onion settle?
Yeah, it took all the fry stuff at the bottom and then
Messed it up.
the sweet is like.
See, that's what I mean. He might be over exaggerating.
Yeah, I know.
but
we will try it.
Yes,
We do make.
we do.
So, with that said, we'll go and try the teriyaki in about
1 hour.
2 hours.
They told me 12:30, and now it's
1:30. We told you 1:30.
oh 1:30. Okay, I take my words back. I think we're on time.
It's 1:30 now.
What I want for us, Lisa, is to treat each other like family. Yeah? When you see someone doing something wrong, approach that person nicely in a good way and tell them. Or if you see something that is not right, then you have to
Assistance.
Wait till later.
I'm putting my facing inside.
You didn't reaction test them.
Bruh, let me face you.
Face me.
I am stuffed. Anyway, I just finished from the potluck. I thought it was like just a normal potluck, but it was the potluck for welcoming new semester. So the Pacific Island student president had like a little speech, and we had like little stuff going on. Anyway, official rating for Halo's teriyaki chicken.
Teriyaki apa ya? 9, I give 9.5.
Wait, I haven't.
Oh, well, you tell him the new reaction.
I just said,
Whatever your answer is. Oh, it's nice.
It's nice.
How?
Bruh,
What happened wrong, my boy?
when? Just tell me, I'll be there.
Just for this.
Yeah? Oh, what is this? This is just sweet.
Teriyaki.
Next time have sour.
Now Ricky could give a 8 out of 10. Warren gave a 9 out of 10, and me give a 8 out of 10 also. So, but Halo said that some of the ingredients, this is first time using it, and some ingredients are missing. So this is the first. Halo said he's gonna do this again. So now we have like something to judge based upon this one and the next one. So anyway, I'm heading home now. So beautiful day. So see you on the next one.